Laurel Road free
Hello,
$300.
everybody. So today I'm going to talk to you about another bank that's offering some free money when you start a new account with them. Okay, so the name of this bank is Laurel Road. That's Laurel, then Road, Road, Laurel Road. Okay, so here are the specifics on what they're actually offering. I believe you have to open a new account with Laurel Road before October 8th of 2024. Just double check their website on that to make sure. Okay, once you open a new account, within 60 days, you have to direct deposit more than $2,500 into the account to be eligible for the bonus. And that bonus is $300, so it's pretty good. So if during the first 60 days, you direct deposit more than $2,500, you get a free $300 bonus. Then what's even better about Laurel Road is they have an ongoing bonus structure. So during the first year of you opening the account, for every statement period where you direct deposit more than $2,500, you'll receive an additional $20 for free. So that's pretty good. So during that first year, if you direct deposit $2,500 or more for every statement period, you'll actually receive $540 for free. $300 from the initial bonus, and then $20 for every month of that year. And then, what's even better, is Laurel Road continues the ongoing bonus structure after that first year, just at a reduced amount. So after that first year, every statement period where you direct deposit more than $2,500 a month, you'll get an additional $10 for free. So that's a pretty good deal. All right, a few other things about this bank which I like. No monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance required. I hate both of those things. So any bank that doesn't do that is a winner in my book, just for that. And then they're offering you free money just for continuing to stay with them, even better. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Good luck. Take care. Bye-bye.